Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. So what I'm gonna do here today is just edit a little cosplay picture. These were taken by myself at home. It's just I did the best I could. We're gonna start by cropping him a little bit. I always like to do custom because you can actually change a lot more. Like they're right there, And then you straighten it out, and then I could have cut a little more, but I don't, the part back so it looks better. Right there. We're gonna do that, and now we gotta go to the colors and other stuff we gotta do. This was taken by myself. Now let me see. All right. We're gonna do exposure 0. We're gonna do contrast here, a little high, highlights a little low because they're already high, shadows a little high, white a little higher, blacks a little down. Then we're gonna do temperature. I like mine into the more of the cold, vibrant, a little high on saturation, texture, little texture, a little clarity it gives. Oh, come on. There, the haze, a little there. I actually want to give a little black darkness, well, a little darkness to the edges. And really, that's it, guys. That's the whole picture right there. That's the finished edit. Takes around 3 minutes, and I do it on my phone. This is Lightroom, the mobile app, and hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Have a good one, guys. Peace.